Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Myntri Rangbah kajela uba Prestone tensong, ubolongru State President jong National People's Party. Habakenta ya kajingdawa badang shen nakabenta bantung bujli Myntri Rangbah ada ukhasi, ulaong bagajing Pynleit Jingmut kadai bandong ya karoi kapar bat kabha kamyat jong kajela, Haka Jaka ban Jied Jaidbynriew. Ngam dan ban kentho, halor kani, namar baling in yawanra ek jing sngo pher Jaidbynriew ngasngo bangimde banekran satya halor kani loong uba Prestone habakran shikilat pathai khobor haba jubab halor kajingdawa jonggawi kaseng phalang uba Prestone ulaban baka ek bakham kongsan kalong ban pentikna ya karoi kapar jong kajela badru baka bha kamyat kade bandon haklinti kabade katbang gidang don Meghalaya bat kum ki MLA ka Meghalaya ngamdan satya kanu jing sngo manu bade Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba airu ya ka khobor ka basai ba Kwah satya banlong Myntri Rangbah shu ba Prestone ulaong ai ba kinong shnong jongi kin sngo tho ya kani lada phiong hoot phiwan ra yu Myntri Rangbah le se na West Bengal lani na Bangladesh ni Assam ngaru ngan persha ya kani ulaong.
I think this is not the only reshuffling happened today. In fact, the reshuffling takes place every now and then, and number two, everywhere. I think in India. So it's not a new thing. See, I think prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I've already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM. Because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party NPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party. Which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say. So it happened, and I think you have seen it. So yes, of course, those who ultimately became a victim of the reshuffling, we do have that sad and bad feeling. That is always there. But I am sure whatever decision taken, be it by the party or be it by the chief minister, it will be for the benefit of the state as a whole.
So there's also been a demand.
I don't have to react anything on this because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let our people also understand. If you say yes, you bringing in chief minister maybe from West Bengal or maybe from Bangladesh or maybe from Assam, yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Personally, do you wish to be the chief minister?
No, I don't.
It means inside the family of the NPP, there's no scratch.
Sorry?
No scratch in the family of NPP.
What scratch? We don't have any scratch.